Good morning. She is my swimmer. What's your name? Cara C. Marquez from Bersamin, Alcala. Yes, okay. Okay, ready. You have to kickboard and do the same thing. Ready and go. Okay, kaklase niya po to si Anika. The next Anika of Alcala swimming team. Okay, done. Alcala Shoe Shark swim team. Say hi.